Hi guys, my name is Asanda Kati and welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you my takes and opinion on trending topics happening globally. Today I'm going to be doing a recap of Uthando Nesthembu episode 18 season 9 and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the episode basically starts off with Umselegu meeting up with Usisi Kama Khumalo. Bahlale phansi, they spoke about Umselegu's remarks that he made on season 8 in regards to Makhumalo's failure, quotation marks, to basically amzalele, to basically have kids kamselegu. And if you remember, on season 8 umselegu spoke about the fact that uthobile walethelwa kamselegu, he basically loves her regardless, even though she is failing to do what she came to the Mselegu household to do, which is to basically have kids and well, to basically be a wife, but essentially he made having kids. So it meant kuvele kwaba ngazukuthi umselegu uthi uthobile is not enough of a wife ngoba kanazo iy'ngane kamseleko. So due to that, she needs to basically support indaba number 5 more than anyone because yena kanazo iy'ngane, allegedly. That is how it came across kuthobile, and that's how it came across to her family as per her sister. And they were just sitting down and talking about that. So ukuthi uthobile didn't fail umseleko by anything because there's more to being a wife than just having kids. And Umseleko was basically saying ukuthi bengekaze amthathe uMakhumalo kuthiwa he didn't love her. He does love her very much. And ubechaza nje ukuthi he just expected uThobile to be more on par with supporting him because kahle kahle njengoba defuna umfazi omunye number 5 essentially ubefunela ukuthi ikhaya lamakhumalo lingafi, yabo, isibongo samakhumalo singafi within the Mseleko homestead, kwaziwe nje even for generations to come ukuthi kwakhona uMakhumalo ngesibongo esiqhubekelayo, ukuze ukuthi even if uThobile passes on because she couldn't have kids, kukhona there is sisakhona isibongo saKhumalo within the Mseleko household, showing ukuthi their marriage was valid and the legacy continues. Do you understand? And uSiska Makhumalo was basically saying, but ukuthi Makhumalo has had a baby before and she lost a child and she's had pregnancies that failed. She had 2 miscarriages thereafter. But usisi wakhe akacacisa ngokuthi le ngane lena uThobile eyashona yakhe kwakuyamseleku noma kwakuye-boyfriend enye, because according to uMacele, uThobile was pregnant before eshada nomseleko, pregnant ngengane yomunye umuntu, ye-ex-boyfriend wakhe, allegedly. Like on Facebook they're saying ukuthi uThobile was known kwamadlala ukuthi she was pretty promiscuous, but check timeline, it's highly unlikely because Uthobile met Mseleko when she was very young. She was 16, so it's highly unlikely ukuthi Uthobile was pregnant by somebody else because she was way too young. It's either A, Mseleko was pregnant, or Uthobile was pregnant kamseleko without the knowledge of uMacele, because Mseleko ngalezo ikhathi wayesandutshela uMacele ukuthi he would never marry a woman that has a child with omunye umuntu. So how did he then marry Uthobile if he knew ukuthi Uthobile once had a child with omunye umuntu? It's not making sense. I feel like Mseleko probably impregnate Uthobile but didn't want people to know because he was obviously over age and she was underage, and in terms of the laws in the country, it's illegal to impregnate umuntu who's under the age of 16 because it's classified as rape. All right. But that's alleged. I can't prove that. Ngikhuluma nje amahemhema show ku-Facebook, but nje all in all uSiska Thobile was basically there to say ukuthi as a family yaThobile asithandi ukuthi uThobile ufailile because she didn't fail. She just lost the pregnancies, right? But there was an episode where a doctor confirmed that Thobile can't have pregnancies naturally because both of her tubes were cut off. So yeah. Yeah, uMseleko, his side was basically, Umseleko, guys, he has no accountability. He was basically saying on confessionals he feels like Siska Thobile was there to tell him how to run his household, and just zero accountability. I feel like Umseleko is such a waste of time. Like, Like it's just like such a waste of time. Like when I feel like Umseleko is one of those people. If you're not gonna leave him, just do what he says. Because angeke zakuzwe ukuthi uthini. Akanendaba ukuthi uthini. Like you can explain your point. Yena besethe usethe. So it's like a waste of time. Like uzuphume nje uyohlala phansi naye uzoyombonisa. He knows. Doesn't care. Kusalayo yena uthi, and that's that. So it's one of those people that's either you stay with them with their flaws, do what they say to have peace, or you leave them. Because angeke aze ayishintshe ingqondo yakhe futhi angeke aze ayishintshe indlela yokwenza. Finish. Moving on. Then as the episode continues, we see Macele having a sit down basic with Usamkeo Makwela and meeting up with her to have a talk with Umethuli in tow. Umethuli and her nanny and some kids nanny in tow, right? And for me, I don't understand. Would see usamke njengoba why did usamke have a nanny? I don't understand because mina ngokwazi kwami umsele kwami yekisho usamke umsebenzi. Umsele said ukuthi usamke needs to focus on being a mom and wami yekisho umsebenzi so that she can focus on being a mom. So why does she have a nanny? Like, girl, I understand if she had to go to work, but awusasebenzi uholela ukuhlala ekhaya ugade ingane. So why do you have a nanny, you know? And worse, usamke uhlala kubo, so she does have help from her family members. Angifila ngazi ukuthi mina usamke lento yokuthi nje unkosikazi kaMseleku, for her it's more of a status thing than anything. I hate to say this, allegedly, it's my opinion. It's my opinion. But yeah, I feel like lento ka usamke lento yokuthi nje uMseleku uyiwife yaMseleku usefaya emqondweni kakhulu and uze enze izinto engenasidingo yabo. Uyambona ukuthi ufuna leyo title and fast because ufuna ukuphila lempilo ebona the other wives living, kanti she doesn't understand ukuthi in order for the wives to actually live the life that they're living, it took years to build. They didn't just get there and then but they just got everything on a silver platter, even though they take years to build. And those wives were also independent. They also had their own money. They also had to fight for their position in the family. And yena ngifila ngazi ukuthi yena ufuna nje uvela afike and then everything ukuthi bamamkele ahlale nabo and then everything will be PG. It won't be PG. You are the fifth installment of a 4-wived Tembu setup. Do you understand? And bungafuna amakhosikazi did not want you there, you know. Lo wokuqala accepted you phela ngoba phela akasanendaba yabo. She's just accepting anybody ukuze alaye la abanye abamlaya naye but nje akanendaba. And then the others, they don't want you there. So you can't expect ukuthi manje yonke into isheshiswe manje ungene nawe ungene ngenkani endaweni ongafunwa kuyona. No, Umseleku, as much as he has his flaws, to some extent he loves and respects his wives. And usamke angiyazi akwazi ukuthi it's like she thinks she's special. She feels like she'll get a special treatment. Manje ufuna ukufohla ngoba she's the new toy that Umseleku is like, what's this? The new trophy that Umseleku is showing around. And you know, girl, you're there to be an incubator. You're there to be a baby making machine. Cha. That's that. Does he love you? Absolutely, I'm sure he does. That's why he married you, because I'm sure baninga bani egade, like I'm sure there's other people that he could have saw angabafaka, but when our kids, so to some extent, yes, he cares about you, he loves you maybe, but he doesn't love you more than his wives, and you're not special. You're not here to replace. You are here uzowandisa isibongo sakaMseleku, and just play your position. I love the fact that umacela umtshelile ukuthi uyajaha, because uyajaha ngempela. Because essentially the meeting from usamke's standpoint ubezobuza umacela ukuthi Umseleku, how is the progress in terms of Umseleku's lowballing her, like, because so I'm lobola but akaqedanga. So she was basically there to ask umacele ukuthi progress in regards to ukulotsholwa kwakhe how far, because Umseleku wathi akabuze umacele, and umacele was like, this has nothing to do with me. Umseleku basically told you that because he didn't want to answer you himself, he didn't have an answer. However, in the same light, even if he didn't have an answer, mina into engizoyisho ukuthi ungajahi, because ekhaya isimo asikakabi right. So Umseleku usazama ukuthi ale foundation of healing ekhaya kuqala ukuze ukuthi uma usufika uzofika kwizandla ey'fudumele, even if zingafudumele, but they will be more accepting then mufika manje they don't want you there, so it will be a great disrespect. The fact that usemfakile uMseleko bengafuni is a huge, is huge, because leyo mpi even now, usayilwa leyo mpi even now, but still akukwanelisi, you still want to come and aggressively come into the Istanbul ngokushesha. And it's like these things take time. This is not a one man a one wife man, this is a four wife man, and you are the number and the fifth, you are the fifth one in the fold, and not because you're special, but just because inamba of kids that he wants akakapheli, so ngizowandisa leso sibalo leso ukuthi sifike foster. But nje ayikho nje into especial ngawo ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi manje faneleke manje kusheshwe kwenziwe into oyifunayo. No, there's no urgency. It's like she wants to be Mseleko bride so much because she thinks it comes with so many perks, and njengoba elotsholiwe she feels like akasiyona unkosikazi ngokuphelela, but allegedly. But I will say this, I will give her this, when there's filming akanikezwa as much respect as the other wives, in the sense that she doesn't get as much camera time, and she doesn't go on family trips, like she's isolated. So ngicabanga ukuthi uyayibona leyo nto, and she feels sidelined, and she feels ngazi ukuthi yena akabalulekile, so she feels like the sooner she becomes uMseleko ngokwanele in full, the more she'll have a right to demand to be called in these spaces where she's not welcome. And you can tell she's a baby, she's 22. So she thinks, yeah, I need to be forceful. And you know, babes, when you grow up, you realize ukuthi ezinye izinto nje empilweni kufanele vele wehlise umoya, vele usemncane usanesikhathi, wehlise umoya, shaya ngathi awuboni. Shaya ngathi awuboni, jabulisa nje ukuthi wena at least usek-introduce-ile, at least useyile kini, you are not just a baby mama, you are a wife obuyingoduso. And akukwanelise lokho. If the intent was ukuthi ungene kwimseleko fold and be as famous as Otobile, no Macele, and be spoken about and all of those things, and be held in high regards and have millions of followers, ngeke kwenze overnight. Yeah, but it took years for them to actually get to where they are now. It took years for them to get the houses that they live in now. It took years of tears and sacrifices and compromising for them to have that little bit of peace or slice of heaven that you are now seeing and you are wanting desperately because you're outside looking in. And you're still going to go through that, and you'll see all of the things that they have, all of the good things that they have. It's not favor. It's not like they got them just because they're Mseleko's wives. No, they got them because they worked for those things. Like they literally blood, sweat, and tears. A lot comes with it. Fana nokuthi fana imali, yabo imali, if uphiwa imali ungayisebenzelanga awuve uyijabulela ngoba uyisebenzelanga, but uma uyisebenzelile, the sacrifices that you had to make to get that amount of money, uya understand ukuthi okay, I should value this because it took so much. So the other wives, they're on the other side, and it looks like impilo yabo it's all glitz and glamour, because in the background they had to go through a lot. So lezi ndlu zabo lezo oyibonayo, it's a thing of like, I would rather cry in a Benz than cry on the side of the road, or cry in the rain, but they're still crying. Do you understand? It's that. It's not to say their marriages are amazing. It's just to say, yes, I'm going through a lot, but at least I have security. So it's that type of situation. But some gates as if you're nje ufuna nje kusheshe abo uMseleko khona ezothola all the perks. And the perks come with a lot of tears, and it comes with years of behind the scenes blood, sweat, and tears. You know? So nje girl, relax girl, and I'm glad ukuthi uMacele umtshelile ukuthi calm down, ehlisa umoya nje, relax, because ngempela she needs to relax. However, what I don't agree with is Macele basically saying ukuthi uSamke should not be the one that brings up marriage to Mseleko, because I feel like guys, we need to stop putting men on a pedestal. Men are humans just like us. If you want to ask a man something, do it in mbuzo mfethu, Mekuthi uyakushiya for asking him that, akakushiye-ke, kusho ukuthi he was not your man. Because if you can't be yourself around your man, then what's the point of you guys being together? That means you're just not compatible, you know? So instead of, and some kids only 22, so she can still find another man. So instead of like being uncomfortable in a relationship, just ask your partner. Maybe your partner has the answers to those questions. And then you'll know where you stand and you decide whether you stay or you leave. But if you need answers, ask umnini if you need answers, ask umnini waleyo question ukuthi kahle kahle mfethu sikephi senzani, what's up, what's good. Because you have a right. You have a right to speak, to have a voice in your marriage. Because lo muntu wakho akathandani yedwa and he married you for a reason. So leso sizathu leso mustn't now be destroyed now that you're in a marriage. That voice mustn't now be silenced because you're taking that person's surname. That's unfair. And it's not a marriage, it's a dictatorship. But that's just me. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section if you don't agree with me. But if you agree with this, please press like. Alternatively, please subscribe for more of my videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.